Hey guys, if you are wondering how to save your data usage, or if your internet connection has limited amount of data, or if you want to limit the data usage of your computer, or if you don't want Windows to use data in the background, Windows 10 has a solution. The operating system has a built-in feature, metered connection mode, that reduces bandwidth usage. When you are connected to the networks you designate as metered connections. So all you need to do is you can just scroll to the taskbar and click on your connection. If it is a Wi-Fi, then click on the Wi-Fi signal, then move to properties, and then we have this metered connection subheading. Under this we have this small button which is turned off. Turn it on and it is done. And the other way is by moving to start menu. Click on the settings. There we have this network and internet. Click on it. Then you can use Ethernet if you have a Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi. Then click on your active connection, and there we have the metered connection option as well, and it is already turned on because I have just turned it on. You can turn it on and get rid of the excess data usage of your computer. Thanks for watching.